I'm proud to announce that the new Safari and the new Harrier have achieved 5-star safety for both adult and child occupants under the GNCAP 2022 protocol. This is a significant achievement as the GNCAP 2022 protocol is significantly more stringent than the earlier protocols, with addition of side pole impact, side dynamic assessments for child safety, pedestrian assessment, and inclusion of safety assist technologies. Therefore, achieving 5-star certification under this new protocol is a massive milestone, not just for Tata Motors, but for the Indian automotive industry. And we are not done. Not only have we received 5-star safety overall, Safari and Harrier have received the highest safety score of any vehicle available in India, with a score of 33.05 out of 34 points for adults and a score of 45 out of 49 points for child safety. We have now achieved an unprecedented level of safety and have once again set a new benchmark in India. And now, can we see the actual test video, please? Now we can proudly say that our 5-star safety rated flagship premium SUVs are the safest space on Indian roads for you and your family. In summary, our new Safari and Harrier come with path-breaking new design, segment-leading technology, delightful driving experience, premium comfort, and unprecedented safety, creating a new class of flagship and premium SUVs in India. And now, for the moment all of us have been waiting for, let's see the prices on the screen for the new Harrier.